In this video, I'm going to teach you how to AirPlay on your Samsung TV Series 6. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use AirPlay on any Samsung TV model that you have. So even though I'm going to be talking about the Samsung TV Series 6, this process should also work with any other model that you have. So what you have to do is first head over into the settings, go over to the menu, choose settings once more, and in here, choose all settings once again. Now, first, make sure that both the iOS device that you are using and the Samsung TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. So both of them have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi, otherwise this will not work. Once you have the network connection set up accordingly, then you can go over to Apple AirPlay settings. So inside of the network category, you will find Apple AirPlay settings. By choosing this option, now you will be able to enable it from here. So make sure that AirPlay is set to on. You can make it so it requires a code for the first time connection or every single future time that you use AirPlay. And now once AirPlay has been enabled on the Samsung TV, swipe down from the top, bring up the control center and choose this icon here. This icon refers to screen mirroring, and now as long as you are in close proximity of your Samsung TV, it is going to appear on the list of nearby devices. So choose your Samsung TV from the list, and like I said before, if needed, input the passcode from the TV onto the iPhone to finish this connection being established. And once it is input here, anything that is being projected on your iPhone screen is going to be transferred over to your Samsung TV. You can now open YouTube, Netflix, browse through photos, videos, and all of the content will be mirrored over. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on AirPlaying a Samsung TV Series 6, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality videos. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.